guys, welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the rippled hearts. So let's get started.
I went ahead and wet her hair down just a little bit and put some gel just to tame her flyaways and to get better grip. Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. We're going to start on the right side, and what you want to do is to make an arch from the top of her forehead back behind her ear. This, and you're going to do the same thing you did here over there. Take it from the top and just create an arch behind her ear. So after having your sections separated by creating the arch on both sides, you're going to take the rest of the hair and smooth it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and secure that off with a hair tie. So now that it's smooth, right here, you're going to take the sides and bring them together, and you're going to smooth them out and secure it like this, okay? I'm going to comb it and smooth it out, and you want to make sure that when you smooth out the sides that you want to blend the sides in with the smoothness of the top part. Okay, so once you're satisfied of the way it looks, you're going to go ahead and take another hair tie and you're going to secure it off right on the crown area. So you're going to secure it by placing the ponytail right on the crown area. Now you're going to go and take your fingers or the top detail and you're going to bring it up through here. So I'm going to take the top detail since I already have it. I'm just going to go ahead and put the tail through this section. And now I'm just going to bring it up. This. I'm going to split this into 2 equal sections. I'm going to take the right section and split this into 3 equal parts. Okay, so now that you have it into 3 equal parts, you want to take the right strand. You're going to just take these other strands and put it to the side for now. And I'm going to smooth out the strand. And then you're going to twist this strand to the right or forward to her face. So go ahead and twist. Keep on twisting till you have a nice tight twist, just like this. Then you're going to take the top detail and you're going to just insert it right here, not above here, but like right here, all the way down past this, right here, down to here, okay? So you're going to take the top detail and just insert it right here, all the way straight down. Now you're going to go ahead and take this end tail, put it right through the top detail, and then you're going to hold this part right here, the arch part, and you're going to, as you're holding the tail here, you're going to go ahead and take the end of the top detail, pull right through, okay, and let go of this, pull right through, okay, and you'll have a nice arch. Okay, so again, you're going to take the second one that's next to it, smooth it out, go ahead and twist forward. Again, twist until it's a little tight. The reason why you want to do that is because when you put it right through the slits of the hair, it won't be loose. Okay, so take the top detail, and this time you're going to just go forward towards her face, take another slit, see it's right here. Now we're going to just go right here, bring it all the way down, and now we're going to take this twisted piece and put the tail right through, and now you're going to just take the top detail end and just pull it right through. You're going to do the last one. You're going to go forward, a little bit forward towards her face, make a slit. See how there's a slit here and a slit there? Now you're going to make another slit section right here. bring it down. Make sure that when you bring it down, you don't want to skip that. You want to bypass this part right here, all the way down. I'm going to take the last one right here and go ahead and twist forward. Put it right through the topsy tail, hold on to this part right here, and then bring the topsy tail right through, and you'll have that twist. See how it's already making your arch right here? So you can just bring this down a little and create your little arches right here. Now you're going to do the same thing you did here over on that side. So after you split it into 3 equal parts, this time you're going to take the first left strand and twist it. So I'm going to put these two aside for now, out of the way. I'm going to smooth this out. Okay, and now this time I'm going to go forward. I'm going to twist forward and basically do the same thing and just repeat those steps that you did over on the other side. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. I'm going to go ahead now and let this ponytail go. I'm going to find the strands that I pulled through here, and then this other side here. If I lost the twist, I'm just going to go ahead and create that twist again. After looking at it and finding the arch that I like for the first one, I'm going to go ahead and secure them off with an elastic band. And I'm just going to do the same thing with the other two. I'm going to go ahead and go a little faster for time purposes only. Just go ahead and tweak it to the way you like it until you're satisfied with it. And once you're satisfied with it, you can either put it together, all three of these guys together like this, or you could just leave it like this. I'm going to go ahead and secure them all together and put an elastic band right here. I released the extra elastic bands and I tweaked it to the way I liked it. And now I'm just going to put a little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please leave a comment down below.
We love feedbacks. Let us know about your success in following our videos and parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the description.
This helps us continue to make videos for you.
If you get a little hungry and want some inspiration, hop on over to our other channel, LED Eats. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. We love you guys. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye.
Bye, guys. God bless.